Hey guys, it's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and in 1 minute and 4 easy steps, I'm going to show you how to program this universal garage door remote. Step 1, all you have to do is take the cover off and find the momentary switch here and press and hold until you see the LED light. Step 2 will be on your garage door opener. You'll press the learn button until the light goes on. Step 3, we're going to sync up the remote to the garage door. By doing that, all we have to do is press the button until we hear a click, like that, and we're good. And then all it is step 4, we're just going to lock in that code, and that is it. Now this button is programmed to this garage door opener.